Welcome to IBC 2019. This is the year's most influential media, entertainment, and technology event, right here in Amsterdam. I'm Ashley with InBroadcast. Joining me is Jean-Christophe of NOA. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
So could you briefly tell me what we could expect from NOA in the next 6 to 12 months?
So first of all, NOA is an Austrian company doing and specializing in archive digitization of large archive stocks. There is currently 4 million archive hours in video and audio archives which have been digitized with NOA tools worldwide. So we're specialized in delivering software and processes for effective, cost-effective digitization. In the next 6 to 12 months, we see a large movement towards CapEx-based investments inside archive digitization, because you need to understand there is two large counterparts. There's the service providers on the one hand, and there are the solution providers on the other hand. Service provider, you approach them with your archive stock, say, please do the archive for me. And we as a solution provider, we come to the client and say, hey, we can bring you the solution and you can do it yourself. Typically this results in a cost reduction by about almost 60%. So we see that this cost reduction, because of the broadcasters having less and less money, they want to do it in-house, and they want to do it with a better quality in-house where they can control the complete process, which we provide to them.
And so what's taking center stage for you currently here at the show?
Center stage, we have two new features and products which we show at the booth. The one is AutoCut. It's a special small software with a nice software tool within the audio workflow, which allows you to glue together several pieces of audio tape snippets automatically in the background on the server, which, for example, gives you the possibility, if you have a smearing head on the tape, that you can stop the tape recording, clean the tape, clean the recording, do the recording again, do it 3-4 times, and don't have to do the merge automatically. That's AutoCut. And on the other hand is we have a new version of Quality Checker. It's a video software assessment tool which helps you to identify additional baseband problems which come from third-party detectors. There is several quality control steps in a video workflow process, and this specific quality control allows you to look for artifacts which have been produced maybe from previous migrations in archive digitization of a video workflow.
And so along with either of these products, did you face any challenges in the designing or the launching of them?
Oh yeah, it's not very obvious. For example, the one thing is to have in the video quality assessment a kind of a thesaurus which helps you to identify all these different errors. There are so many different errors, and we try to find a naming convention where all these different errors fit for all the different detectors in the same naming convention, which was driven actually by the EBU from some EBU standards. And the other one was that AutoCut is really not easy to implement, because with all these variations, tape variations, azimuth variations, bandwidth variations, autocorrelation it's a very intelligent mode for the other software just to find this correlation between the tapes.
Can you give me just a little bit of what we could possibly expect from NOA in the near future?
Well, more markets, strong markets in Asia, I think, which we are going into it. We see actually a huge need still. There is at the moment 50 million hours, let alone in North America, which have not yet been digitized, and we know already now that 95% of these archive stocks will not survive if they're not going to be attacked in the next 2 to 3 years. So this will be a challenge to help our clients to do this challenge with us.
Well, thank you so much for all the information, and thanks for talking to us, Jean-Christophe.
Thanks.